Jonny, it's about 3 weeks to a month now since the win over Andorra, and of course qualifying in Bosnia. Has it sunk in with yourself and the group of players at the moment?
Yeah, I think so. Meeting up this week and watching videos and team meetings of what we've achieved. And when you watch it back, it brings goosebumps, to be honest, because it's pretty special to think of what we've achieved in the last 10 games in the qualifiers. So it's starting to sink in. It seems a long way away, but I'm sure it'll come around very quickly. It's Christmas soon, so yeah.
You mentioned the group of players. I suppose when you look back, I think that's one of the main reasons you've qualified, because as a squad, everyone, backroom staff, everybody's got on so well together. That there's fantastic team spirit. Yeah,
and I think that's one of the main reasons. Everyone says it, but it really is a really good team spirit. Every time we meet up, everyone can't wait to go training, and it's really fun, and that's all thanks to the manager and what he's put together here as a squad and in the staff and the players, and I'm sure the fans can see that come match day. So it's fantastic, and obviously we've kept as many top players as we can fit throughout the campaign, and probably haven't done that as much in times before. So I think that's one of the main reasons, and if we can do that when the Euros comes around, I think we've got a great chance. So.
Ironically, the last friendly was against the Netherlands again, but this time it was away in Amsterdam when they were going to a finals and we were going there to help them celebrate. It's the other way around. It shows how quickly it's changed, but it's, they haven't qualified, but they're still one of the best sides in Europe. It will be a good test for you without some of the key players as well.
Yeah, I think any football fan will know Holland aren't a bad team. And we know they haven't qualified this time, but I'm sure they'll qualify next time, and for one reason or another they haven't got the results. This qualifying campaign, you just have to look at their team sheet and the amount of star players they got playing for them. Even with the likes without Van Persie and Depay, they're still forming a squad like that. It'll be a good test for us, and it'll get us prepared for what we'll be facing come the Euros, because there'll be some similar teams to Holland's capability. And as you said, last year 2 years ago we done well, to be fair, and that was without Bailey and Rambo and Ash, so I've got Ash back, so that's a start. I think it'll be interesting to see how we get on, and some opportunities for boys to play and express themselves on Fridays.
And that is the big thing, isn't it, between now and France? Maybe 2 or 3, 4 friendlies at most. It does give the manager and everybody an opportunity to give some of the other players an opportunity and the chance for them to step up to the mark and stake a claim.
Yeah, I think that's what friendlies are about. You're allowed 6 subs, and it gives us time to prepare for the Euros, and I'm sure there'll be opportunities for boys to give themselves a chance of going to France. And I, for one, looking forward to the friendly. Fortunate enough to play out in Holland, and it was a great experience for me as a 19-year-old, then 20-year-old. Playing against a team like that, so it can only help. Everyone's looking forward to Friday, and we've got a chance. So it'd be silly not to think we've got a chance from what we've achieved. So it should be a great occasion.